Yeah, welcome to video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to do one problem related to projections of straight line. Okay, considering this problem, we are going to draw projections. If a line AB 60 mm long has its end A is in 50 mm in front of VP, the line is in the horizontal plane and inclined at 60 degrees to the VP. Draw its projections. Okay, by following this problem, we are going to place a straight line in the first quadrant by following the conditions in the given problem. Okay, let me assume line length in between A and B, ends of line, consider 65 mm. Okay, in the given problem, AB line is placed in the horizontal plane. By placing a line AB in the horizontal plane, A should be 15 mm in front of vertical plane, and AB line is making 60 degrees inclined to VP. Okay, by following this condition, we have to adjust this straight line AB of length 65 mm. Okay, the spacing in between A end of line to vertical plane we need to consider. This is in front distance in between A and vertical plane. Okay, we have to allow the in front distance 15 mm. From here to here we have to allow 15 mm. And also by following another condition, AB line should be in the horizontal plane. AB line అనేది horizontal plane లో ఉండాలి. Okay, by placing AB is in the horizontal plane, AB should make some angle of inclination with vertical plane. Okay, according to this problem, the angle given 60 degrees with VP. AB line should make 60 degrees angled with vertical plane. Okay, like in this fashion. Now AB line is making 60 degrees angled with vertical plane. A end of line is 15 mm in front of vertical plane. By following this condition of line in the first quadrant, when you see from the infinite top, you can see this is the top view. When you see from the infinite top, you can see this is the top view. About x1 xy reference line, about xy reference line, below the xy reference line we can draw top view. Exactly looks like in this fashion. When you see the same line from the infinite front, you can see front view exactly in the vertical plane coinciding with xy reference line. Okay, in the front view we haven't get a true shape of line. Why? Because it is inclined to vertical plane. When you see from the infinite front, you can see reduced front view in the vertical plane, reduced front view in the vertical plane. Okay, you need not get true length of line. You need not get true length of line in the vertical plane. You can get reduced front view. Okay, by following these conditions, we are going to draw projections of straight line on the drawing sheet. Okay, you first draw a light line by make use of H pencil. You consider this as XY reference line. Okay, below the XY reference line, we have to follow in front distance 15 mm and locate a point. Locate this point as A end of line, A, top view of A. Okay, from this point you need to draw light line that should be parallel with XY reference line. About this light line from A, you need to draw 60 degrees inclined line, 60 degrees inclined line, like in this fashion. Okay, you need to consider here 60 degrees angle by following protractor. Okay, you need to draw this inclined line up to which length we are going to draw this line, up to given length in the problem. The AB line length given as 65 mm. Okay, from A to another end of line you need to consider 65 mm and locate this point as B. Okay, after locating B, from B you need to draw a perpendicular up to reach XY reference line. From A also you need to draw XY reference line and indicate this intersecting point as B dash, indicate this intersecting point as A dash. In between A dash and B dash you need to darken by make use of B pencil. Okay, you need to draw a dark line in between AB. This will represent as front view of line AB. Okay, in the horizontal plane below the XY reference line we can get in between top view of A and top view of B. We need to darken by make use of B pencil. Okay, this is AB. Small a b represents as top view of AB line, which is making 60 degrees angled with XY reference line. When you extend this inclined line AB onto XY reference line, this is making 60 degrees incline with XY reference line, means that it is making 60 degrees angled with vertical plane. Above the XY reference line we can consider vertical plane, below the XY reference line we can consider horizontal plane. About this vertical plane, this AB line is making 60 degrees angle. Okay, it is satisfying the conditions given in the problem. AB line is 60 degrees making angle with VP. Okay, AB is in horizontal plane given. AB is in horizontal plane given. Okay, when AB is in horizontal plane, when you see from the infinite front, you can see the front view of AB coinciding with XY reference line in the vertical plane. Okay, after completing the total projections of this problem, you need to give dimensioning. In between vertical plane and top view of point A, the distance we have to follow is 15 mm. Okay, you need to give dimension here. Draw dimension line parallel with this projector line. Give arrow tips at the end of this dimension line. You give in front distance here at the mid of this dimension line. Okay, to show the length of line, this AB top view giving us true length of line. Why? Because AB straight line is placed in the horizontal plane, parallel to horizontal plane. So this top view giving us true length of line. From A you need to draw perpendicular extension line. From A you need to draw perpendicular extension line. In between these two extension lines, draw a light line parallel with AB top view. Okay, at the end of this dimension line you need to give arrow tip. You need to give arrow tip like in this fashion by following arrow dimensions 1:3 or 2:6. Okay, after drawing dimension line like in this fashion, you have to give dimension value exactly mid of this dimension line. Okay, after completing total problem like in this fashion, you need to draw guidelines below the problem. Guidelines should be parallel to each other, parallel to horizontal line. Okay, after drawing guidelines like in this fashion, AB line length we need to show here as 65 mm. and angle of inclination 60 degrees considered here as pi angle. Pi is angled with vertical plane. Pi equal to 60 degrees. Angled with VP. Okay, and also we need to show A dash B dash is front view, A B is exactly equal to top view. Okay, in this problem A dash B dash not giving us true length of line. Why? Because it is some incline with vertical plane. The front view of this inclined line, AB line, inclined with vertical plane, giving us reduced front view. A dash B dash is reduced front view. You need to show here. Okay. A dash B dash is reduced front view. Okay, these are the projections of straight line by following this problem.